Cell.
To cell.
Yeah! Hey everyone, welcome back to Cell to Cell. My name is Heem, that's Nick. Back at it for another Trivia Tuesday.
Yeah.
Nick decided he wants to do a brain quiz.
I knew nothing about the brain.
Yeah, neither did
I took psychology in high school and it was a dual credit course and I never took it in college and I need to learn
Screen record.
Oh, yeah, that's a good call. And we're going to learn about the brain. Move.
Okay, Nick's going first.
We're kind of in a rush. We have class in like a half hour and we still need to eat. So this will probably be a quick episode. So, I'm going to start the quiz. Question number 1. This part is concerned with the reception and processing of sensory information from the body. The occipital lobe, the temporal lobe, or the parietal lobe?
I think it's actually parietal.
I think it's the parietal lobe too.
Okay.
Boom!
Yeah.
1 for 1. Let's go. We're going to help each other because we both don't know anything.
Good job.
Okay. Question number 2. This part is concerned with the vision. Okay, this is the occipital lobe. I knew that one. I knew that one.
I agree.
Next. This part is concerned with memory, hearing, and language. I'm going to go with the temporal lobe on this one because I'm pretty sure the frontal lobe is like decision making and like conscious thinking. That's correct.
Good job.
3 for 3. Maybe I knew a little bit more about the brain than I thought, but watch me get this question wrong probably. Okay, this part of the brain is concerned with decision making, problem solving, and planning. That is the frontal lobe.
Yes, sir.
Boom. I already got my last question. This actually is not that bad.
Okay.
Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. These are the parts of the brain. And I have... You just saw me scroll through it. Okay. This... All right. So there's... Well, this is silly because, like, I see hippocampus, amygdala...
Check all of them.
Hippocampus, brainstem... The right occipital, right parietal, right temporal, left frontal lobe. No. Is there a left frontal lobe? It's just the frontal lobe. I'm going to get this one wrong. The thalamus is not. Yeah, it is.
Hypothalamus, thalamus.
Yeah. The spinal cord is not. That's part of the central nervous system, but it's not part of the brain.
Yeah.
Cerebellum is. Brain cells are, and the pituitary gland is. But the pituitary gland is technically, and the thalamus are technically part of the endocrine system, but they're found in the brain. Okay.
What?
Okay, I got them all right. Okay, I got them all right. Okay, I didn't get them all right. You guys see everything. Heem doesn't. So Heem, left frontal lobe, correct. Right temporal, correct. Right parietal, right occipital, hypothalamus, hippocampus, amygdala. Hippocampus was on there twice. Brainstem, thalamus. Spinal cord is apparently part of the brain.
Okay. I think they just asked the question.
The cerebellum is part of the brain, right? I did that. Okay, but it's saying brain cells aren't part of the brain.
Interesting.
And the pituitary gland isn't part of the brain. But the thalamus is. Hippocampus is memory and sleep, right?
Dude, these are all part of the brain. I think so. Whatever.
I think they're all part of the brain too. The pituitary sits like right here. It sits right there. Like literally right between your eyes. Okay.
Hopefully I do okay. Question 6. What is the average weight of the human brain? 1 pound, 3 pound, 4 pound, 5 pound?
That's a great question.
I'd say 3.
I think
3 sounds
pounds.
legit.
Yeah. Mine might be a little lighter, but...
Nah. 3 pounds is right.
Heck
Yeah, 4 pounds does not sound right at all. 4 pounds. Okay, 7. Question 7. What protects the skull from injury? Sternum, femur, short bone, cranium. What protects the skull from... I thought the skull was your cranium.
Yeah, some of these questions are written wrong.
What is dementia? Inflammation of the brain tissue, usually from an infection with virus. A decline in cognitive function resulting from death or malfunction of nerve cells in the brain. A pocket of infection in the brain, usually by bacteria. No. Inflammation from lining around the brain or spinal cord, usually from infection? Nope. It's just the decline of cognitive function. You slowly start forgetting things. You don't remember anything.
That was a good question.
Question 9. This part is concerned with the balance of the body, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, prefrontal cortex. I think it's either cerebellum or cerebrum. I think it's cerebellum. I think cerebellum has to do with balance. And that's correct.
Nice.
This part, question 10, final question, let's go. This part is concerned with the autonomous activities like heartbeat and breathing. Cerebrum, occipital lobe, medulla oblongata, prefrontal cortex. I think this is cerebrum. Or cerebrum is decision making. Autonomous activity, medulla oblongata.
I don't think it's, it's not the cerebrum.
It's not?
I don't think so.
Do you think it's prefrontal?
No.
So medulla.
It's medulla or prefrontal.
I'll say medulla.
Because like I just remember that like the brain stem and like it's considered like the pre-brain, like the prehistoric brain, like it doesn't have all of like the white and gray matter around it for like
correct.
Storage.
Medulla oblongata.
So
sweet, bro.
And that's like more near the brain stem.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
You got yours right?
Remember when we were like, oh, we know nothing about the brain, and now look at us, 5 out of 10.
That's
in 6 minutes. I almost fell.
Thanks to you.
You see, even sometimes a quick little brain quiz to jog the brain, right?
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
That was sick, man.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
You ready? Well, thank you guys for watching. This was a very quick video. Like always, we appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you have any questions. If you have any recommendations for quizzes you want us to do.
If you have Quizlet links,
yeah, Quizlet links.
Quizlet
I'm telling
links.
you,
That would be
please
great
make
for students to study, help people out.
If you are like a student and you want to like challenge us, I want to try something on Sporkle. Look up Sporkle and make us a Sporkle quiz and send it. I know we probably won't get one, but they look like so much fun. And Heem and I can work on it together and type in answers and work on it and try to get our best score out of. Give us 10 minutes to answer 30 questions, just like about stem cell science, anything, and we'll make it fun. Sporkles are really cool because they're kind of like more open ended. So yeah, I think switching up Trivia Tuesdays. This is a great website that we use, but
Yeah.
I want to kind of venture out a little bit and try some new stuff. So
Yeah.
maybe Heem and I can make a 5-minute Sporkle for each of us. Maybe we can do that.
We quiz each
next
other.
time, and we quiz each other. Like we give each other a topic and all that kind of stuff. So
We'll see.
yeah, well we appreciate you guys watching. You got anything else? No. All right. Well, this has been another episode of Cells to Cell. My name is Nick, and that's Heem, and we'll see you guys next time.
See ya.